A little bit of patience really does go a long way, because I took this thick, beautiful, kinky straight wig and I straightened her. And I did it with an easy install. So if you guys would like to see how I did it, just keep on watching. We're not going to waste any time. We're going to jump right into this install. So this hair is from Sunber Hair. All the information on this hair will be down below in my description box, so please feel free to check it out. These are the goodies that came inside, but this is the wig. This is how she came. This is the lace. This is how thick she is, how full and how versatile this hair can be. Y'all, it's so much that you can do with this hair, but for now, we're just going to straighten it. It does come with an adjustable strap, and that does come in handy if you do have a smaller head size, but it fit perfectly on my head. I do have some braids. We're going to go in and clean up my hairline. I like to make sure all my hair is brushed back. Even though we're only using even, I try not to make sure I have no flyaway hairs, because why get them tacky when they don't have to be? So this is the wig. This is how it looks on my head. I did not do nothing to the lace. This is straight out the box. I did apply a little bit of my foundation shade underneath, but this is how it came plucked. I didn't have to do anything. We're going to go ahead and cut those ear tabs off. And then once we get those ear tabs off, we're just going to go in with some even along the hairline. Apply our melt band, let it sit, and cut the lace off. That is it, okay? Because I am doing a pretty simple hairstyle, I'm just going to be straightening her and doing a middle part bust down. So I'm not going to talk you all's head off, but I will come back to you guys at the end to let you guys know what I think about this hair. So just keep on watching and see my method on how I straighten this hair and get it looking like those intro clips. If you made it this far in the video, comment down below how much time do you think it took me to straighten my hair? But it was very well worth it. This is the outcome of how it looks. I am going to go ahead and just cut that lace off. I do go in after I cut my lace and I apply a little bit more of that even just in case some of the lace did lift. And then I go in with my foundation shade with what was left in my brush after I used it on my lace. And I'm just going to dab that into the hairline. You guys will see it'll melt away like magic. Okay, like it melts away. Lately, I've been trying to join the No Baby Hair gang. I think I've been doing pretty good with it so far. Thank you so much to Sunber Hair. Don't forget, all the information will be down below on this hair. And just know I'm in love with her. She's thick, she's straightened beautifully. And my hot comb and my flat iron is subpar. You know what I'm saying? So if you have a better one, I'm sure this will get even sleeker. But for me, it did what it was supposed to do. If you guys made it this far in the video, if you did like it, please don't forget to give me a like and comment down below what you guys think, and subscribe to my channel if you're new to tune in for more relatable content. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, beauties.